The FireChief F Plus is a multi-class, lightweight and low-maintenance fire extinguisher that contains a unique solution designed to tackle A, B and F rated fires, allowing you to replace your traditional water, foam and wet chemical extinguishers with one solution. With a 27A fire rating, even in the hands of an inexperienced firefighter, the FireChief F Plus can tackle a sizable fire. And the 233B rating also offers the ability to tackle flammable liquid fires involving large amounts of fuel and a big surface area. The extinguisher also comes equipped with a 75F rating, which means it can be used in kitchens and on large cooking oil fires. With a seamless aluminium body, the extinguisher itself is corrosion-free, whilst its robust handles are designed to prevent deforming and rusting, even in severe conditions. The F Plus is certified to the Pressure Equipment Directive, Marine Equipment Directive and EN3 and comes with a 5-year guarantee. With a robust plastic base to avoid contact with the floor and a wall bracket made of steel, this ensures the easy deployment of this lightweight fire extinguisher. In fact, at only 7.8 kilograms, the F Plus is almost 25% lighter than other similar extinguishers. With its 35 kV dielectric testing, this unit is safe to use on electrical fires, as well as tackle A, B and F rated fires. For more information, visit firechiefglobal.com, making the world a safer place.